And bitch, we taking off like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tell me what the, oh, you got me sounding good too. Hey, okay, tell me what the deal is. You know I'm the illest. She from California, says she don't know where the feel is. Shout out to the hometown, I know that they gon' feel this. When I hit the club, I walk in.
First, we're gonna be using Reshoevn8r, some water, some of that Reshoevn8r solution. We put a little couple drops in that. Got that soft bristle brush, you feel me? Gonna dab it all in that water real quick.
Know these fellas always talking, but they weren't involved with it. I like me some women, not a bunch of sausages.
Then we're gonna move over to that medium bristle brush.
All sizes. We got new hope.
Then we're gonna finish off with that stiff bristle brush to get all that dirt and grime out the bottom.
I used to kick it with the kids that rock that Osiris. Used to rock a patch like a pirate. The garden's still private. Drummond got a Bentley, let me drive.
Right here, I'll be using acetone to get that paint off. You know, using my cotton balls. We're gonna get that little solution off it or get that factory paint. Then we're gonna be using some black Angelus paint and then some white Angelus paint.
Same as I used to. I guess I need me a ride or die. Know you get sick of the games, cause I do too. Late nights, head hurting, open up the red curtains. You don't love me, you just networking. I'm still trying to be the best version of me. I got a whip plus room in the front seat, and it's so obscene. She make me look like 20, 10 Chris Humphreys. Y'all been getting too comfy. I've been spending my time going off, just in case you're wondering. Never just one drink, 80 proof all up in my bloodstream. Used to talk shit, now I wonder what they must think. Blame it on the crushed dreams that we used to all have. All I know is that we can't fall back now, and we rockin' from side to side. Tell me now if you trying to ride with me. You know I could find some time just to get in tune with you. I used to be the one that I idolized. Now I can't see it the same as I used to. I guess I need me a ride or die. Know you get sick of the games, cause I do too. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know.